Agege have a legacy, especially the bridge. It's a big legacy,
But apart from that, go to some streets in Agege.
and they have voting strength
Yes,
too.
yes, of course. Go to some streets in Agege. I was born in Agege. I I up in Agege when I was young. I up from my mother. All the streets in Agege, I can see this is how it was before. Go there now. Go there now. You see, if somebody is doing well, let us praise him. Let us praise him. That's what I want in this government. Do well. The man at the center is not doing well. That's why we criticize him. If he performs, I will just be one of his supporters. That is what we are saying. We cannot just vote for someone and we are facing this kind of challenges. And you expect me to continue to support that kind of person. No. It's governance is about service. If you render good governance, people will support you. If you don't render good governance, people will against you. And that's just the point. I'm advising the president to do the right thing. Things are getting out of hand. Isn't this insecurity we are facing now? You see, when Buhari was there, they contained the insecurity to the northwest, northeast, and north, and, and, and not west. But now it's now gradually moving to the southwest, south, and southeast. What are we now talking? What are we now talking? We are making more money. You are saying that yes, you are on top of the situation, and you can see what is happening. And a nation that is not secure, there cannot be any meaningful development in that nation. That's just it. What I will advise the president is that sit back at home, look at the issue of insecurity, address it, find a lasting solution to it. Then other things will fall in line. Economy will improve if you have a secure environment. Economy will improve if you have a secure environment. But if you don't have a secure environment, economy cannot improve. Forget about all the noise about that they are making progress. No, which kind of progress? You can see what people are passing through. Go to market and see what is happening. Forget about their rhetoric. And that's just my position.
Okay, at this point, we are the entire southwest is being threatened by Fulanis. Yes, they come up boldly and said, they are coming, and the president seems to be that adamant over it. Is it as a result of he cannot stand against, or he want to exchange this for his ambition 2027 before he can now take a decisive action?
That will be very stupid of a president if he will allow Boko Haram or whatever you call them to invade the southwest just because he want to have support from the northern region. Is to me very unthinkable for any leader to have that kind of mindset. It will be very, very bad for any leader to have that kind of mindset. How should we allow that? You are the commander of all the military district. Then you should do the right thing. But I know this terrorists coming into the circle, they find it very difficult because we are not as lazy at the other end. We know our terrain, and I can tell you they will find it very difficult to have a base in the circles. Look at what Canada is doing. They are coordinating their own distance just to contain the portion into the circles. But for any leader to give them that leverage of coming to the southwest just because you want to have them as an escape for no, like I say, okay, you want to support Sharia. Sharia in southwest, no. I'm a Muslim, but we don't. You only practice it Sharia in southwest. Therefore, what bringing it? Is it something important? Is it something important now? Is it the issue? We are talking about the whole end land. We are talking about introducing Sharia in this approach. I don't think the government can be in support of that. And if it is as we have said, then something is wrong somewhere.
Yeah, definitely something is wrong somewhere because a lot of leaders from the Yoruba nation has come out to condemn it outrightly. But the Sultan of Sokoto is insisting that Sharia, setting up a committee to implement Sharia law in Southwest is a threat. What does the Fulanis actually want in Nigeria?
Let me just tell you this. I'm a Yoruba man. I know how sophisticated we are as people. But what happens in that religion? If you try to be Yoruba land, you will find it difficult. I'm telling you, you will find it very, very difficult because we are enlightened. We are enlightened. No Yoruba man will support that. If you want to have your Sharia, you can go to North, but not in Southwest. I have told you I'm a Muslim, but I am not in support of this Sharia thing. If they say that yes, for not supporting Sharia, I'm not a Muslim, yes, let it be. They are not my God. But what is practicable in a particular area, then you want to introduce by force. It's not done. Continue to do your Sharia. You remember that Governor Sama, when he cut off hand of one Gandhi, he can such a thing happen in the Southwest. What are you talking about? We have the normal courts. If you think they have infringed on your right, you can go to court. And there's a constitution for that. Sharia is regular to the north. Let them have their Sharia. They're bringing it to the southwest. I don't think it will work.
Looking at Fulani, Obasanjo first made a statement that they are not indigenous people of Nigeria. They are just invaders. Having conquered the Hausas, almost doing that same in Middle Belt. Now they are saying Southwest. We have seen killings led by these people in the south and southeastern part of the country. Why is the southern leaders afraid to take decision against these Fulanis? What is it? Politics is the problem? Is it what is actually the problem?
Our leaders have said it, and keep on repeating it that Yoruba land, don't try nonsense in Yoruba land. If you try nonsense in Yoruba land, you will dearly pay for it. And that's why I'm advising whoever is supporting all these things to share the idea because it will work in the Southwest. I'm very sure of that. It will not work in the Southwest. Therefore, any leader that is now saying because I want to be, because of my selfish interest of the politics and that, then let me give you tactical support somehow. Is that person we see at the end of it that he's playing with fire because Yorubas are watching with keen interest as the events are unfolding. But I can tell you that such thing will not work in Yoruba. We have sophisticated guidelines. We are exposed. Therefore, Yoruba men went to school.
Bola Ahmed Tinubu is showing some level of jagabanism in trying to make sure that the opposition does not breathe. We are seeing the likes of so many PDP members moving to APC. The latest one is Ned Nwoko from Delta State, a formidable a politician from Delta State. All of them are moving to APC, and now we are seeing the gathering of the opposition while PDP is still in disarray. Is Bola Ahmed Tinubu playing a no hold is bar politics against these people? It's going to be funny. Nigerians are waiting to see what's going to come out of it at the end of the day. But I can tell you that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not smiling.
The question is, in 2027, what is going to happen if things continue like this? It's going to be between Bola Tinubu and Nigerians, not parties, not any opposition. The Nigerians are the real opposition in 2027 against APC and Bola Tinubu. Are you getting my point? But you see, 2027 is gradually approaching. Now you can see alliances here and there. Alignment, people are just enjoying. Yes, it's allowed in politics. But at the end of it, you will see that Nigeria will be the one that will determine who governs them in 2027. But you see, we are passing through a lot of challenges now. And that's why I said, look, it is just a matter of 4 years, almost 2 years in the office now. Are we better off? If it continues like this till 2027, and you have the conscience, and you now go out and say, yes, you want that party to continue in office, then something must be wrong with that person. That's my position. Therefore, you see, some people still believe that okay, it is during election time they always make their money. Yes, you see, they still have their supporters. I agree with you that will support them because they always think that okay, that is the time they always make their money. That's the time they always make. People will still buy votes, they will still sell their votes and this and that. But the real concern will be about the welfare of Nigerians. How far have they been? What has been their yes? Are they better off? Those are the things we, some enlightened one will be able to ask. And I think that will determine who governs them in 2027. But for this present government, with what they are doing now, I don't think it will be very, very bad. Too bad for them to continue 2027. You see, when they brought money, they were saying we should be patient, patient, patient. We had that patience for almost 8 years. Then 2 years also with the same party now. There's, we are not still getting it right. Then what I'm now saying, okay, we continue to be patient till the
What is actually where the Bola Tinubu administration, Nigeria is going through a lot, agreed with you. The president is also saying that Nigerians are going through a lot.
What are they doing to alleviate the suffering of the people? But what you see, they are not addressing the real issue. People are complaining that hunger is the major problem now. Instead, what those money they are making now, why can't they invest it in agriculture? If you plant cassava in this 6 months, you see you get your result. I have been saying it. Agri is the only area you cannot lie. If you say you spend so amount, at the end of the day, you'll be able to see the result. If we are not seeing the result, that is we are lying. Therefore, they should invest massively on agriculture. That's to reduce the issue of hunger in the land. Then other things will follow.
When you talk about agriculture, you're talking about insecurity. The Fulanis are not allowing people to go to farm.
That is the duty of the government in the first place. That is what they swore for when they assume office. That they will protect lives and properties. Are they protecting the lives and properties now? If Fulanis are threatening us, who to blame? Am I to blame? As a commander in chief, he knows best how to handle the situation. Everything is at your disposal. Then what excuses are you giving us? Yes. If you know you are not capable, then you leave the state and give another person the chance.
At this point now, would you support a northern candidate against a southern candidate? The northerners are saying that.
Now, I don't want to have this belief of one is north, one is south, one is. You see, we have tried all this rubbish in the past. It did not help us. Okay, they say okay, Muslims do not work. Look at it now. Is it working? Is it working? All this, what I want is I want a Nigerian that can deliver. That's my position. Not that this one is my turn. Which turn? If you are not capable, then because it's your turn, then they will put you for no. If you know you have the capacity, then you come forward. Nigeria will judge you. Obi did not expect you could get that kind of vote.
He has never up to this moment. He has never.
And that's to tell you that Nigerians are very, very, very alive to their responsibility.
People are asking, let me finally question to you, sir, before I leave. People are asking, if at the end of the day, the entire opposition, including Atiku, Amechi, Fayemi, all of them, put Obi forward, against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. If things continue like this, would Nigerians, do you think Nigerians will rally around him,
Obi,
including the North?
Obi is still my candidate. I did not vote for him in the last election, but the way he has been going around, the way people are supporting him, I think he's in a better position. If they can put him forward, I will vote for him. And at the same time, I want to say this: let's give the Igbo a chance of ruling this country. They have been so marginalized too much. They have been denied their right after the civil war. Yes, mistakes were made, agreed, and we have corrected it. Then give them that sense of belonging. That you see, since 1960, the highest Igbo man has achieved is vice presidency. What is disturbing them? They are minority. They have people that can rule Nigeria. Then why are they saying that okay they cannot? Look at the marginalization. Let's see one from this angle. In their own in Eastern region, how many states? 5 states from that their region. In other regions, about 60 states. That's one thing that I think Nigerians have. You see, we have not been fair to them. Nigerian states have not been fair to Igbos. I'm not an Igbo man, I'm a Yoruba man. But when I see the truth, I will always say it. Are you getting my point? Let's give Obi the chance of ruling this country. And let's people support him. And I think he will deliver. People did not vote for this man. They are just saying that's why it's not God is only exposing them. That's why they are not getting it right. All their effort is zero, zero. All their movement to the answer. It's not leading to any result. They are not getting any result. Look at all the reforms. Are they getting any result? Things are getting worse every day. If you are trying something and you are not getting result, that will tell you that okay, something is fishy somewhere. Maybe you achieve that thing through illegal means. Are you getting it? You can deceive human being, but you cannot deceive God. God has a way of doing his own thing. God is like, you see, I told you the last time that okay, I did not vote with Bola Tinubu because I know the kind of person Bola Tinubu is. But many Nigerians that say, okay, let's Yoruba have it, this and that and all these things, they are now regretting it now. They are not regretting it. Because I want to ask, what will be their selling point in 2027? That okay, yes, this is what we have been able to do for Nigeria. Tell me one thing. Because if you are working genuinely in this country, you can't survive with what is happening in this country. It is the criminals, the 419, the Yahoos, and the beaters are the ones enjoying in this country. If you are working genuinely, living by your salary, you lose. That's why you see everybody is trying to cut corner to survive. And we cannot continue like that. Trying to cut corner just to survive. That's not an economy. If you say you're having an economy like that, no, it's a good economy. Are you getting my point? That's just the point. They should do the needful. They still have that 2 years to correct all these things. If these 2 years, if they can correct it and Nigeria smile, Nigeria will support Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I don't have anything against him. But so far so good, he has not been performed.
Thank you.